There will be a distinct privilege for bad dog behavior for consequences, you stupid mutts. Do good behavior, or else I will kick you out.
What the heck is that?
That ain't good, idioto.
Oh my dog.
He is definitely not going to be nice to his pups. He is just as mean as us.
Come on, let's retaliate him.
He is brimmingly mean.
So unscrupulous language.
Did you say stupid? Don't say stupid, or I'll have a bone to pick with you. Just not you idiot wishing you a wee bit of pee in the toilet.
When I pause and reflect on you, brat, I have to use the Nintendo Entertainment System's app to attack you.